welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing a science project. So I'm going to be making a volcano, and it's right here. So first we're going to get started and add, say, baking powder or baking soda, whatever it's called. And we're going to add 2 spoonfuls of this. And you just gotta get 2 spoonfuls, 2 large spoonfuls. Whoop. Add it in 1, and we're gonna add another spoonful. Yep. I'm getting it everywhere. There we go. I may have got a little bit everywhere, but that's fine. And now, make sure we got enough. And don't, Shannon. That's my little sister. Okay. Now we gotta add this one. Careful not to spill. There. Now we gotta add 1 spoonful of this. Maybe we could add a little bit more. A little bit more, and now let's mix it. You gotta mix it really well. And we gotta make sure it's nice and mixed. And I think we add the water next. But I want this to be colorful. But I don't know if the color will ruin it, but I want it to be colorful. And this is a volcano experiment, so I think I'm going to go ahead and make it colorful with some of my food coloring. So green? Do I want green? Green would actually be cool for a volcano, so yeah, let's go with green. Or wait, is this glow in the dark? I think this is glow in the dark stuff. I thought it was green, but it was actually, it's glow in the dark stuff. I'm just gonna do red. I'm gonna add some of this. One drop. Let's add a couple drops. Okay, it fizzed when I put something wet in it. I don't really want to make it fizz too much. Add another drop. I didn't know that this would like kind of ruin it. No. Oh no. I want it to fizz, but I want it to be colorful. Don't stick your tongue out on me. Okay. So I think this is almost good enough. I could could actually, yeah, this could be enough. I just gotta mix it well. Mix well. It's mixing pretty good. It looks kind of pink, but it's red. This is like making bath bombs. And perfect. This is really nice. Okay. Put that right there. And now let's have a look at the book. Okay. So next, I could actually, I probably needed that glow-in-the-dark stuff. Or is this a different thing? I needed the glow-in-the-dark stuff, but instead I did this. Oh no, it's starting to get wet. No, and mushy. No, that's not how I wanted it. I wanted it dry and crumbly, not wet and mushy. Stop being all wet and mushy. I just want it dry and crumbly. I'm gonna have to sit here and stir for a while, so see you guys in a second. Okay, I'm back, and I think that I'm done stirring this. It's still like a little clay. It's like clay or something. But I am going to just actually look at the book, and then I think that we could make it erupt. Erupt. Yeah. Okay. Now let's see what we do. Now we gotta do this. I think we need to, okay, yeah. Pour in the water. That's what I thought. Okay, now let's get our little tube, and we gotta pour it in slowly and see what happens. So this is the vital moment. All the water's going up. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's my little sister. Whoa! It's lava. It's rising. The lava is going down. It's like a lava slide. Oh, it's so cool. I'll put more water. Whoa. Yay. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. It's rising so much and it looks like lava. And it looks like a slide. Yeah, it's like a water lava slide. It can go down. Yeah. But I think I'm going to take it a step further and do it again. Again. But in a different color, or, whoa, this is cool. I'm going to suck up some of this. You need a different color too. Yeah, we can do it a different color, actually. Let's stir it up. It's like that's cool. It didn't really get everywhere. It's like cool though. No. But it's like one. Well. Okay, now I am just going to clean this up. I'm just going to clean up the volcano and then do it one more time. And then that will be it. And this is a cool red color, but I think we can do another color. Let's do another color. I already know the steps, and they're not very hard, so we can do it.
This one.
Oh, I think that's glow in the dark stuff. Let's glow in the dark stuff. That's not.
Get the dark stuff.
No, we can't do the glow in the dark stuff.
Okay, but get something.
We'll do another color, but not the glow in the dark stuff. Okay, it's in there, and okay. Let's do this again. Now I think we're just gonna get this and do it again, all over again. It was really cool. Let's see if we can add more this time. Maybe if we add more, then it will be a bigger explosion. Let's add more of this baking powder stuff.
I like baking powder stuff.
I put in 3 spoons, okay? I don't know what happens when you put in 3 spoons, but that means we're gonna be needed a lot of this. Okay, this is what I should have done the last time. Okay, I'm gonna take it a step further again and put another spoon. I put another spoon. This is gonna be, I can just see it. It's gonna be very bad.
It's so awesome. I can't wait to put some red on it.
No, we're not going to use red this time.
Okay.
This time, here, we should probably use, do you want to use blue?
Blue. I like blue.
Her favorite color is blue. So,
it's like my brush. My brush is blue like that.
Yeah, she has a little toy brush. And it's blue. Okay, Shannon, we're going to go get the water. So, we're going to get more water because I think we ran out of water. So, I'll see you. Okay, we're back and we got some water. So, let's do what we did and do this again. Okay, we gotta stir really fast. It still worked though.
It's mixing like blue.
Oh, whoop.
What?
I spilled a bit.
Some water.
No, we don't need the water yet.
Okay.
First, we gotta mix it very well, and then we do the water, Shan. But what, Shan? Okay, this is looking very cool.
I said nothing, Halen.
Okay. The blue is very nice. Actually,
I like blue. It's my favorite color.
I kind of like it better blue than red, and
I
blue
like
volcano
blue because
cool.
it's my favorite color.
A blue volcano is going to be kind of cool because
I like
I've never
blue
seen a blue
because
volcano.
it's my favorite color too.
Yeah, blue is your favorite color. Okay. Now let's go ahead and mix it up. Mix and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix, 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 mix. And I think we need a little bit more. That was a bubble. There we go.
blue color.
Yep. It's sticky. It's sticky like dessert. Desert or dessert? I don't know if it's desert or dessert. Okay. We almost got it all mixed. But I'm just gonna keep mixing and put it on pause. Okay, I'm done mixing and it looks fine. It's not all the way isn't very mixed out of the blue, but we still got it all like this. And I think it's ready to erupt the volcano.
This is
Okay, we got the water right here.
okay. You need to add some.
3, 2, 1, sit down. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Whoa, it's bigger.
Picker.
Whoa.
A little pick.
Wow. Wow, Wishka.
It can slide.
Yes, so full. It's, whoa.
If we need this,
Yeah.
it can slide down.
Yes, this is so cool. It like we're everywhere.
Can you do this and slide it on?
Let's stir it. Whoa. It's all mushy and bubbly. Cool.
But first,
Blue bubble.
how about do that?
Okay, well, let's suck it up. Let's suck it up, I guess. Suck.
No, suck it. There.
I'm sucking it up.
You need a lot.
Let's put it in the blue. Put the blue in the red. Or the red in the blue. It makes purple, whatever. Wow. It's still going. It's still going.
To mix it again.
It's still fizzing, Shannon. What do I do? It's still fizzing. It's still fizzing. It's fizzing so much. Oh my goodness.
How about you need some more stirring?
Stirring? You want to stir it more? Okay, well, let's stir it more. Whoa. Let's have it float, some of it flow down. It keeps coming up. Now that's a real volcano. If you're doing this science project and you want it to be perfect, then add one bit more of whatever I added in and it will be like that. Okay. Wow. That's cool. That's really cool. Okay, well, that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and ring that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post or upload a new video. Bye, guys!